Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the world's best tool for how people visit your site and you can collect information with the help of this tool. Turn into your customers. If you want to know more about this website, hold the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Hotjar? Hotjar is behavior analytics and user feedback service that helps you understand the behavior of your website users and get their feedback through tools such as heat maps, session recordings, and surveys. If you want to join, the link in the description box. Is Hotjar legal? Hotjar's terms of service, the agreement, are a legal agreement between you as the user and Hotjar Limited, a private limited liability company registered under the laws of Malta. How do I put a Hotjar on my website? Click on the tracking code button for the site you want to track. Click on Copy to Clipboard. Paste the tracking code into the less than head greater than section of your website. Hotjar works most accurately if the Hotjar tracking code is in the head tag, less than head greater than, of every page you want to track on your site. Hotjar term. 1. Marketers track customer satisfaction, CSAT, Net Promoter Score, NPS, and the voice of customer, VOC. 2. Product managers eliminate guesswork by watching session recordings and see how people are really using your product. 3. UX designers empathize with your users and see where they get stuck. Look at user behavior and ask the right questions at the right time. Hotjar's commitment to the GDPR. The GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, is an important piece of legislation that is designed to strengthen and unify data protection laws for all individuals within the European Union. The regulation became effective and enforceable on the 25th of May 2018. Our commitment: Hotjar has undertaken the required business and technology steps to operate in a manner compliant with GDPR. The California Consumer Privacy Act, also referred to as CCPA, is a privacy-centric bill aimed at protecting the privacy of California consumers that will be effective on January 1, 2020. How does the CCPA affect Hotjar? If you are a Hotjar customer, under the CCPA you're considered the business, and Hotjar is the service provider. As such, we as Hotjar are responsible for processing the data our service captures on your site and is stored on our servers. As noted in our privacy policy, we will never sell personal data to third parties. What is Hotjar doing to prepare for the CCPA? Because of the many product and process enhancements we made in preparation for the 2018 General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, when the CCPA was signed, we were already well positioned to support customers needing to comply. However, the CCPA is not the GDPR. To make sure we'd be ready and to finalize our preparations, we contracted a California-based law firm to review our processes and controls and advise on any applicable enhancements. The most notable outcomes of this engagement were refinements to these documents. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you want to get more videos, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to comment. Good luck.